Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best ATX AMD motherboard, the NZXT N7B550. Stay tuned as we explore its features, performance, and why it's perfect for your next build. Let's get started. Product features: comprehensive RGB and fan control. With NZXT CAM software, you can control RGB lighting and fan channels precisely. Customize colors, patterns, and thermal settings to create a visually stunning and cool-running gaming rig effortlessly. Sleek aesthetic. The NZXT N7B550 features a minimalist metal cover that complements NZXT H-series cases beautifully. Its clean design gives your PC a premium and cohesive look that stands out in any setup. Future-proof connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, this motherboard ensures fast, reliable connections. You'll be ready for the latest devices, peripherals, and high-speed data transfer without limitations. Excellent audio features. The Realtek ALC1220 codec with Nikon capacitors delivers crystal-clear audio. Enjoy immersive sound for gaming, streaming, or music production, enhancing both entertainment and professional projects. Robust compatibility. Supports a wide range of AMD Ryzen processors from mid-range to high-end. This makes it perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts looking to upgrade or build a versatile system. Pros: premium build quality and sleek design, advanced RGB and fan controls via CAM software, easy installation for beginners, future-proof connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and USB-C, excellent integrated audio. Cons: higher price point compared to basic motherboards. Limited PCIe slot expansion for ultra-high-end builds. Final thoughts. The NZXT N7B550 ATX AMD motherboard combines aesthetics, performance, and user-friendly features. It's ideal for anyone wanting a reliable, future-ready, and visually appealing motherboard for gaming or content creation. Upgrade your build with style and performance today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Products and like this video for more tech insights and recommendations.